Gold has a long and fascinating history that spans thousands of years. It has been coveted by civilizations around the world for its beauty, rarity, and durability, and has played a central role in the economies and cultures of many societies. One of the earliest known uses of gold was in ancient Egypt, where it was used to make jewelry and decorative objects. The ancient Egyptians also believed that gold had medicinal properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments. In ancient Greece, gold was highly prized for its beauty and value, and was often used to make coins, jewelry, and decorative objects. The Greeks believed that gold was a symbol of the sun and associated it with their gods and goddesses.
In the 19th century, a group of Englishmen set out to create a gold-plated chicken by feeding the bird a diet rich in gold. They believed that the gold would pass into the eggs laid by the chicken, and that the eggs would therefore be worth a great deal of money. However, the experiment was a failure, as the gold did not pass into the eggs, and the chicken eventually died from overeating the precious metal.
Throughout history, gold has been used as a currency, a store of value, and a symbol of wealth and power. It has been sought after by kings, emperors, and conquerors, and has played a central role in the rise and fall of empires. But what exactly determines the value of gold, and how does it compare to other assets like stocks or real estate? One key factor that influences the value of gold is supply and demand. Gold is a finite resource, meaning there is only a limited amount of it in the world. When demand for gold is high, but the supply is limited, the price of gold tends to rise. On the other hand, if the supply of gold increases or demand for it decreases, the price of gold may fall. Another factor that can impact the value of gold is its role as a hedge against inflation. Inflation refers to the general rise in prices of goods and services over time, and it can erode the value of money. Because gold is a tangible asset that is not subject to the same economic forces as paper money, it is often viewed as a hedge against inflation. As a result, when inflation is high, the price of gold may increase as people look to protect their wealth. On the other hand, there are also some potential drawbacks to investing in gold. One concern is that the price of gold can be volatile, meaning it can fluctuate significantly over short periods of time.
During the California gold rush of the 1840s and 1850s, some people became so obsessed with finding gold that they were willing to try any method, no matter how strange or risky, to strike it rich. One such method involved using nitroglycerin to blast away rocks in search of gold-bearing veins. This method was highly dangerous, as nitroglycerin is a highly explosive substance, and many people were killed or injured while using it.
While the price of gold may rise over time, it may not keep pace with the potential returns of other investments. Gold may be best known for its use in jewelry and artwork, but it also has a variety of important uses in science and technology. One key application of gold is in electronics. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and is used to make a variety of electronic components, including connectors, switches, and circuit boards. Gold is also used to make electronic connectors for computers and other electronic devices, as it is resistant to corrosion and can withstand the wear and tear of constant use. Gold is also used in a variety of medical applications, including dentistry and medicine. Gold is non-toxic and can be safely used in the body, making it a useful material for medical implants and devices. Gold is also used to make prosthetic joints and other medical devices, as it is strong and durable. In addition, gold is used in space exploration. The extreme temperatures and radiation found in space can damage electronic components, but gold is resistant to these effects, making it an ideal material for use in satellites and other space-based technologies. Gold is found in the Earth's crust, typically in the form of small particles or nuggets. It is often found in rocks, rivers, and underground deposits, and is often extracted through mining. Gold can also be found in the form of flakes or dust, and is sometimes extracted through panning or other methods. Gold is thought to have formed during the formation of the solar system, as the intense heat and pressure of the early solar system caused lighter elements to fuse together and form heavier elements like gold. Gold is also found in meteorites, which are thought to contain materials from the early solar system.
In the 1980s, a group of investors in the United States became convinced that they could create gold by transmuting other elements, into the precious metal. They set up a laboratory and began experimenting with various chemical reactions, hoping to find a way to turn lead or other cheap metals into gold. However, their efforts were unsuccessful, and the investors eventually went bankrupt, having spent millions of dollars on their futile quest.
In addition to being found in nature, gold can also be created artificially through a process called nuclear transmutation. This process involves bombarding a target material with high-energy particles, causing the atomic nuclei to rearrange and form new elements, including gold. Overall, gold is a fascinating and valuable element that is found in nature and can also be created artificially. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Your support helps us create more content for you.